Open Google Play Store, search for Metro Railway Kolkata, Metro Railway Kolkata. Now install the app. Open the app. To generate e-pass, you do not need to click anywhere else, just click on generate e-pass for station entry. Here a web page will open. As per your internet speed, you have to select high or medium speed internet booking slot or slow speed internet booking slot. I am clicking on the high medium speed booking slot, book slot. Now you need to click on this jumping button over here, this blue jumping button. It will ask simple questions like your name. Enter your name. It is asking from where you want to start your journey. Like I am selecting Netaji. Now it is asking for your destination. Select your destination. Like I am selecting here Park Street. Now it is asking for the slots 2 to 3 p.m, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, like this. I am selecting 3 to 4. It is checking if the booking is available. It is saying the booking is available. So now you have to press book and download. If the booking is not available, it will ask you to choose another time slot. Here the booking is available, so I am pressing book and download. Here my e-pass has been generated. I have to download it and show it to the metro staff. They will do the image scan. Just download the image. Here it is written the date and time of my journey. Origin station is Netaji, destination is Park Street, and my name is also written over here. Just to show them the pass, open it from the gallery and show it to them. They will scan it and allow you to enter the station. Thank you.